Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you put on the notification bells for more videos like this. Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to a new YouTube video where I will be talking about WINKS Finance. It seems like they're creating something really unique in a sense where you can actually buy into certain phases, and I actually seen this really early in terms of their raises, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. But let's just start on what actually WINKS is. But you can see here from the start they are audited and KYC'd. Basically, you can see here they actually have the audit and the KYC here with the tabs explaining about it and the overview here. So let's talk about what the project is. So right now you can actually buy SWINK. And you can add it to your MetaMask, you can approve and buy it with BUSD right now. You can see the current phase, 240K out of 250,000 has been raised. Basically, their idea is it's a new Web3 concept of social networking. So let's go into more detail.
GWINK, the Genesis token of WINK project. GWINK is a fully audited and secure token that will be launched on Pink Sale between the 11th and the 13th of January through fair launch.
As you see, they're looking to actually create the first decentralized social network, a free platform that protects intellectual property, censorship, resistance, and automated payment price systems. So basically creating a new concept where people actually can keep their IP and not have it be stolen. A lot of people have things stolen. A lot of people just repost a lot of content. If you look at TikTok, you look at YouTube, a lot of people just copy paste a lot of famous or celebrity content and just sell it back to people and just make money off of the ad revenue. In this way, you can actually keep that IP and not have that issue come up where other people can just use your software, use your type of information. And in a sense is that provides a lot of people and a lot of celebrities the ability to keep their IP, which is really important. So basically what they're looking to do is add income to these services, so it brings a lot of new people in. It brings in more people to use the actual software and use the WINKS platform, and it also allows buybacks, liquidity injections, investments, making the WINKS sustainable and a deflected token. Basically what they're planning to do is create a universe where you can actually create their space, create their gate, community, and cooperate with others. You can have a space, basically as explained here, where it kind of has a place where you can upload your content. A gate basically is an NFT, a way to actually get subscriptions. Cooperation is a good way to actually fusing the whole sponsorship ambassador tools with it. Then you have safety to ensure that there is safety there. Planet Earth is basically a map where you can find, to find locations for tickets, and you can also be a part of meeting and greets. A lot of people do that in terms of YouTube and things like that. The community can also have like a chat and also have promoting in terms of brand services and things like that. And lastly is the analytics, so you can look into a lot of detail in terms of the user data and things like that. This is a good way to actually see ad revenue. If you actually want to sell your content onto someone else's platform, you can do it through this way, similar to Google AdWords, YouTube ads, etc. Basically what their DeFi protocol is standing for is farming, staking, airdrops, creator NFTs, NFT marketplace, and sponsorships. So they're really going for the vast majority of DeFi in terms of farming and staking, so that you have passive income, along with airdrops, which actually brings in new holders, brings in new people through marketing. You have creator NFTs, which brings a lot more people that are actually in the whole crypto universe and brings them to this platform. Then you have the NFT marketplace where you can actually trade them, you can buy them and sell them. And then another benefit for the people that are creating content is the sponsorships. So why choose WINK over anything else? Well, basically their goal here is to reduce inflation, to have a use case, a lot of use cases, right? Have extra income. If you look at things like TikTok and things like that, you barely get a couple cents just from doing things. You have to get external sources of income actually to make money. But in this way, you actually have the ability to make money and also get sponsorships and things like that. So this is a really good way to actually participate and get involved in that aspect. As you see here, there's a bunch of people that are a part of this project. All of their LinkedIn's here, so they're completely doxed. You can see their faces, and it's a big project in total. So let's go into the pre-sale and how the pre-sale actually works. So basically clicking on this tab here, basically how it works is there is 50 million max supply with 2.5% of the official token, and it's a very safe investment, traded and farmed. You can see here, basically there's multipliers for each stage of the progress. First being the seed, where it has 30x, then it has the second stage, which is 15x, and as the token price increases, the x is reduced. So that means getting in early is key, because no matter what, on launch day you will have 10 times the amount of tokens that people have here on the launch day. This makes it a lot more valuable to get in at a lower stage or at this stage right now. So this is a very good stage that I've actually seen this project, and I think this is a good time to enter if you're looking into something like this. In terms of getting involved and things like that, you can see that there is steps and ladders per each price, and you can see that the highest price being 30 cents is the actual launch price itself. So at these prices around here, you can actually trade them and things like that. So that's really cool because you get to participate in an ongoing pre-sale, and you don't need to wait 1 second for this thing to actually end or this thing to run out. And it is an ample 1 block pre-sale. It's much more longer, so you can actually take part and be a part of it. As you see here, this is the WINKonomics, where it talks about the total supply, the launch supply, things like that. You can see the pre-sale, there is going to be allocated 40% to it. Then the team and advisory has 18%, liquidity is 12%, 2% for prizes, and incentives is around 28%. And then they have their profit sharing model, where basically it talks about the backing, the team, the expenses, everything like that. You can always look into this in more detail for your own self. They also have an actual contest going on, which is really cool, where you have the ability to win $100,000. So take part in this. Definitely a good way to take part in getting involved and getting a part of the Wink ecosystem. So you see there's around 17,000 entries already, and there's 79 days left, so it's good to actually take part in this. I think there is daily things you can do, so in that way, if you do things daily, it'll allow you to actually get more chances to actually participate in the entries, right? So now let's go into the actual roadmap. So as you see here, you can see that they're planning to develop an audit, which is done already, pre-sale launch, everything like this, marketing plans, and then you can see they're working on the marketing, the pink sale, the pancake swap, yield farming, and things like that, which is really cool to see that they're working on so many things and are going to deliver on them. You can actually participate in a referral system. So if you do buy into the pre-sale itself, you can actually refer other people. And once you actually buy other people into the pre-sale, you are having the ability to get a bonus. So let's say you want to do, let's say 12%, and the person spends like $100, you will get $40 worth of Wink, which is $12, which is actually amazing because you're getting 12% of what they put in. And if people are putting in heavy, like $5,000, you have the ability to get 600 of that. So that's really cool because referring, yourself even is a good idea if you think about it. You can actually, let's say you're putting in $500, you can refer yourself $250. So you put in $250, refer yourself with the second link, and you put in $250, you'll actually end up saving $30 out of that. So that's really cool. You can participate in the referrals, get your friends involved, and that's a good way to market their project. So now let's look into their docs. So lastly, we'll talk about their docs, where they talk about all of their information and how to buy tokens. So now that you're really interested in how their ecosystem works, how do you actually buy? So basically here it talks about how to buy it. You must ensure that you have MetaMask installed and things like that. It has all the explanation here. Then you can actually go into this pre-sale link that I'll show you right here, that you can participate and be able to buy tokens. As you see here, they're connecting their wallet, they're putting in their amount of BUSD required, and you will see that it's 1 BUSD will equal 30 BUSD on launch. You press approve and then you press confirm. You can see that address shows up there. Press confirm and you can press buy. So this is kind of a way to actually buy in. As you see right now, it's 1, so it's 30x to actually get in. Once you do approve, make sure you press the buy afterwards, because once you do approve it on Bscan, then you'll be able to purchase. So make sure you don't forget to press the buy button instead of just approve. So make sure the buy is taken, and make sure you actually get your tokens. So how to do that? You go to your dashboard, and you will see at the bottom, it'll see purchase completed. You go to your dashboard and you will see your balance of how much you've bought. So there you go. Definitely check out the WINKS pre-sale.